Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
You start by preparing. Back up important files and make sure you can reconnect the device. Once done, go to Settings, right arrow Apps, right arrow Package Installer, then tap Force Stop. This halts the process immediately. Next, clear cache and clear storage to remove temp state that causes loops. If the app won't stop, make sure developer options are enabled and USB debugging is on so you can use ADB in the next step. This avoids rebooting blindly. You now move into more advanced fixes. Connect via ADB and list processes with a DB shell PS, identify package installer's PID, and use a DB shell kill PID to stop a stubborn thread. If the issue persists, run a DB shell PM clear COM. Android, package installer to wipe its data, or a DB shell PM uninstall user 0 COM. Android, package installer to remove updates and restore the system default. Also, check Play Protect and App Install Permission. To finish, reboot the phone so system services reload with your changes. This often prevents the installer from relaunching. If it still restarts, boot into safe mode to see whether a third-party app triggers the behavior and uninstall or disable suspects. Make sure to re-enable Play Protect and reset permissions if you removed updates. If problems continue, capture Logcat while reproducing the issue. The timestamps and stack traces show the triggering app or error, giving you an exact fix to apply.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.